Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to evaluate the expression a here. We have a equal to square root of 11 minus 3 over 11 plus 3 square root of 11 minus 1 over square root of 11 plus 3 and then plus 1 over square root of 11. Okay, so if you would like to give a try, please pause the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to solve this question for you. We have square root of 11 minus 3, and then the denominator here we have 11 plus 3 square root of 11. So I can take square root of 11 in common. Then we will have square root of 11 plus 3. Okay, so when we expand this factor, we will get this. All right, we have to minus these two terms. So now I have to make the common denominator of each fractions. Okay, so the first fraction, we just keep it still the same, all right? So we don't have to do anything with it. And then now we have the second factor, we have 1 over square root of 11 plus 3, but we need to multiply with square root of 11 in order to have the same common denominator. All right, and 1 have to multiply with square root of 11 as well. Okay, and then plus, and here we have 1 over square root of 11, but we don't have square root of 11 plus 3. So then we need to multiply with square root of 11 plus 3. And the numerator here, we also have to multiply with square root of 11 plus 3 as well. Okay. So now when we have the same denominator, so the rule of subtracting or adding the fractions, we can keep the same denominator and we take the numerators minus or plus with each other. Okay, so now let's put the same denominator and then we take the numerator here and then minus, so here is equal to square root of 11. Okay, and then plus with square root of 11 and then plus 3 here. Okay, so then we need to calculate it. So here we have square root of 11 minus with square root of 11, that will be equal to 0, and then negative 3 with positive 3, so that will be 0 as well. So what it got left is square root of 11 here. Okay, so then we will get square root of 11 over square root of 11 factor with square root of 11 plus 3. Okay, so now as we can see, we have the numerator, which is square root of 11, and here is also square root of 11. So we can simplify with each other. So then what we will get, which is equal to 1 over square root of 11 plus 3. Okay. Alright, so now what we're gonna do next, we have to rationalizing the denominator here. Then we have to multiply with the conjugate. So then the conjugate of these factors here, which is square root of 11 minus 3. Okay, so which is the sign here is changing to negative. Okay, and when we multiply the denominator with square root of 11 minus 3, then we also multiply the numerator with square root of 11 minus 3. Okay, next we will get, here is square root of 11 minus 3. So when we have two factors like this, we will get square root of 11 raised to square. All right, and then minus 3 square. Okay, and then equal to. So we keep this still the same. And here we got 11 minus 9. then equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have nothing to do with it. That is the answer. All right, so then therefore we will get the B equal to this. Okay, so now we have finished solving this question, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. And goodbye, see you in the next video.